Come hiking with me and my friend Tabitha up to a really beautiful waterfall. This trail's called Adams Canyon. It's in Layton, Utah. It's 3.5 miles out and back with a 1,420-foot elevation gain. Should we tell them what we're doing?
I mean, they're just so up in our fucking business.
Guys!
Try to guess. With this foot of, oh my god!
Up the mountain.
Up the mountain in we go. I got us some bagels.
Oh yes, good morning. Good freaking morning. Tab is the best. Look what she brought.
Coffee.
That looks fire.
And it is. I was getting kind of hangry when I was driving here. I was like, hi guys.
Backpack moment. Okay, so we definitely could have dressed better for the weather. Neither of us wore waterproof clothing. Tabitha was set with the hiking shoes for sure, but we were soaking wet by the end of the hike. So if you're gonna hike in the rain, just make sure you wear waterproof gear. But don't let it stop you from playing outside because it was so worth it. And this hike only took us like 3 hours. It was the perfect amount of time, not all day.
oh my god, yeah, that's a vibe.
Little hiking safety moment. If you're gonna go hiking, make sure you tell someone that isn't hiking the trail you're going on and like how long it is. That way you don't get stranded. Or like worst case scenario, you can get life flighted out. So yeah.
You good, girl?
So cool. The higher we get, the snowier it gets. But it feels good, honestly, because we're moving our bodies. Me and Tab are honestly pretty warm. Hi, Tab, you're warm.
I'm nice and warm.
We think we're almost halfway.
You know, it's definitely gotta be like halfway or more than.
This is like perfect, honestly. We're soaking wet, but it's worth it.
It's
Like,
one of the things you have to deal with if you're a hiker. It's so misty right now.
wait, I think that's it up there. That's the end.
No
Wait,
fucking
so
way.
we're more than halfway. All right, guys. We're almost at the waterfall.
Freak at this waterfall.
Y'all are gonna break. Careful.
The wind.
We did it!
Filipino, represent. I know, I saw that.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at the fog.
Oh, it's beautiful. Everything about this.
Sun's coming out. Yeah, sun, sun, sun.
The sun will come out. What in the hell do you mean you're gonna leave your middle life out here?
Ever heard of Leave the Trail How You Found It?
Ooh.
Oh, this view. We did it, guys.
Be real for that. We're like soaking wet, and I don't know if the camera even shows that, but it's great. Oh, I have sunglasses. See how wet that is?
See, I wore a windbreaker on top of that.
That's crazy.
On
that
top of that.
yours was still wet.
We did it.
We done did it.
Realistically, you should be applying sunscreen. Oh yeah, it matches you. You should be applying sunscreen every 30 minutes because sunscreen.
No way.
Yeah. After 30 minutes, the power protection is gone. Did you know that? Isn't that crazy? Okay, well, We done hiked.
We done hiked. We're gonna get warm in the car now.
Yes.
And
Maybe
it was a
some food?
success. I would love some food.
Okay, cool. Some lunch?
Starved, if you will.
All right, well, love you guys. See you in the next video.